Women find it difficult to ask a guy out. They are much more nervous than men, and also do not know how to handle rejection, because they are emotional. So what they do if they like a guy is leave certain signs around. These signs are sometimes very unclear. Only attentive guys and guys that understand women nature can pick up these signs and do the needful. This is why we've made it easier for you by compiling most of the signs women drop around when they like a guy and want to be more than a friend with him. So if you notice any of these signs from a girl, it means she is really attracted to you and wants to be more than a friend. All the points we will be sharing with you here are tested, working, and proven secrets. Do not take any of them for granted. Number 1. She becomes more friendly. Women are very conscious of their boundaries and do not open up to just anyone they don't have any interest in. If a woman does not like you, she will not give misleading signs that will make you feel like she is interested. Women are very straightforward with their feelings and make sure they do not lead you on and will never put themselves often around you. So when a woman becomes friendly with you and becomes extremely playful out of nowhere, that is a sign that she likes you. When a woman likes a guy, she will always be in his space, just to encourage him to talk to her and ask her out if possible. When a woman likes a man, she makes things extremely easy for him by putting herself around him, making him feel comfortable with her, with an open body language, just to give him a hint that she is interested, and for him to do the needful. So if a girl you've known for some time suddenly becomes friendly out of nowhere, do not miss the sign. Approach her now. Number 2. She teases you often. Women don't have the courage to ask a man out, so what they do is to put themselves around a guy and drop subtle signs to show their level of interest, and also make it easier for you to talk to them. Teasing is one of those signs. When a woman teases you often, she is only doing it for you to notice her and get a reaction from you. If she's being touchy as well, that is her breaking the touch barrier for you, so it will become even easier for you. So when a girl becomes very friendly, teases you often, and becomes slightly touchy, that is a clear sign she is interested in you. By touching you, I don't mean for her to disrespect or abuse you. It should be gentle and in a playful manner. If that is it, approach her now. Do not wait any further. Don't miss the signs. Number 3. She looks at your direction often. When a woman likes a guy, it becomes very difficult for her to control herself. She throws signs all over the place. One of those signs is to look at the guy uncontrollably, especially when he is looking away. Women can't hide their desires, and if you maintain an eye contact with her in that moment, you'll notice that she cannot keep eye contact for 2 seconds before looking away. So if you notice a particular girl looking at you whenever you turn to her direction, it's a clear sign that she really likes you and wants to be more than a friend with you. This is not a period to waste time. Approach her now and take advantage of the situation. Number 4. She wants you alone. Another sign that a girl really likes you and wants to be more than a friend with you is when she encourages or advises you to spend time alone with her. If a girl does not like you, she will not leave her group of friends for you. Even if you go there to convince her, she will not leave. She would rather spend time with a group of her female friends So if a girl suddenly begins to advise you to go to a place where both of you can read, relax, or do something else together, it is a clear sign that she is highly interested in you. She doesn't want to be alone with you for no reason. This is her trying to make it easier for you to talk to her and even ask her out. So if any girl tries to break you from a group and encourages you to be alone with her, you don't need any other sign to know that she is interested in you. Summon some courage as a man and ask her out. Number 5. She watches when you talk to other girls. Women are very territorial around their men, even when they are not in a defined relationship or just crushing on a guy. That territorial instinct still surfaces subconsciously once they sight a guy they like. Having a conversation with a different girl, they try to imagine what they were discussing. They try to observe if you are invested in the conversation, or if the girl is showing signs that she likes you. If a girl does not like you, she will not do any of that. She will not even bother about you talking with other girls. But when she likes you, she wants to observe your every move. She becomes curious and sometimes hurt when you talk to a different girl. If she have access to you, she can even playfully ask you if the girl you were talking with was your girlfriend, or if you have a crush on her. So, if a girl begins to watch your every move and begins to suddenly ask you about other girls, it's a sign that she is really interested in you and wants to be more than a friend. It's on you now to approach her and ask her out. These are the signs girls show when they want to be more than friends with a guy. I hope you learned something new today. See you next time.